Good evening, class.
Good evening, ma'am.
We will be going to start the class in next 2 to 3 minutes. Let the other students also join the class, okay? Till then, just bring your notebooks with you. Today we will do the question practice. Any idea where are the rest of the students?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Just wait for 2 minutes. Harshit, today we will do the question practice. Because I have seen that you all are having too many doubts in the concept of salts, like where we use the NaCl as the raw material, like the preparation of baking soda, washing soda, bleaching powder. So we will do the question practice of that part today. Oral test is not there. We will do the question practice. Just discuss the questions and you will answer. Then we will write the answers also, that how to represent an answer in the paper. Okay, let's start the class. First of all, you all make your video on. You all please make your video on. Harshit, Anurag, Niharika. Your video should be on. Sampath,
Yes, ma'am.
make your video on.
Yes, ma'am.
Today we are going to do the question practice for salts. As the chapter contains 3 parts, na, acid, bases and salts. So we will do the salts part today. First, we will do the MCQ questions. Okay. Not the MCQ, we are doing the very short questions. Your first question is, name
Ma'am,
2 main constituents of baking powder. What are the main constituents of baking powder?
Baking
Ma'am,
soda and
And
edible
organic
acid.
acid.
yeah,
Organic edible
baking soda and
Any
mild
edible
edible
acid.
acid. Yeah, you have to specify that the acid should be mild.
Mild edible acid. Can you write a tartaric acid?
Yeah, that you can also write. So one answer that you can write is, you can write the baking soda and you can write the chemical formula of baking soda also. What is the chemical formula of baking soda? What is the chemical formula for baking
Ma'am,
soda?
NaHCO3. Ma'am,
Na.
HCO3.
Yeah, so you will write NaHCO3 and tartaric acid. Clear? If in the exam it has been asked, you will not write it is baking soda. You will simply write sodium bicarbonate because it is the constitution between. You have to mention the answer in terms of chemicals. Name a salt that does not contain water of crystallization. Name any one salt. You can write any salt over here that do not have water of crystallization in it.
NaCl.
Yeah. But if we talk about that the compounds we are preparing from salts, that is NaCl. So then
Ma'am,
what you will
bleaching
write?
powder.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, bleaching powder.
NaCO3.
NaCO3 is
bleaching
a
powder.
base. It is not a salt.
Ma'am, can bleaching powder come? CaCl2.
Yeah, you can write bleaching powder also. Correct. You can write baking soda also. Correct. Your third question is, which color the solution of NaHCO3 show in litmus? Right now, I told you about the nature of NaCO3. What is the nature of NaCO3?
Basic.
Basic. If it is basic in nature, then what will be the color in litmus?
Ma'am, blue.
Yeah. So your answer will be blue. Correct? Pranav, Sampath, Harshit, Niharika, make your video on. Niharika,
Yes, ma'am.
your video should be on now.
Yeah, ma'am.
What we call water soluble bases?
Alkali.
Alkaline.
Yeah, we call it as alkali. Harshit, Anurag, write chemical name of what is the chemical name of this compound?
Ma'am, washing powder.
Washing soda is the common name of that compound. If it has been asked that you have to
Ma'am,
write the chemical name,
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
sodium
sodium carbonate
carbonate
decahydrate.
yeah.
decahydrate.
So chemical name is sodium carbonate decahydrate. And if it has been asked in the question that write down the common name of that compound, then you will write washing soda. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
List 2 main sources of common salt in nature. From where we get the common salt in nature?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
seawater.
seawater and
Uh,
desert sand.
desert sand, but I didn't say Reddit anywhere. It is rock salt, mountains. Okay.
Ma'am, but maximum comes from sea only.
Sorry.
But maximum salt comes from sea only,
Yeah,
right?
maximum is from seawater, but we can obtain it from rock salt also. type of substance which give relief on sting area when applied on it. What we can apply over it? Do you know what is sting area?
Ma'am, the area where the insect bites and injects its
Yeah.
acid.
If the insect bites at what it leaves on our body.
Ma'am, baking
Acid.
soda can be applied for relief.
Methanoic
Yeah,
acid. Ma'am, it
it
injects
releases
methanoic
methanoic acid, and to get relief of it, we use baking soda. Okay. What are important products of chlor-alkali process, and where does it go? Yeah, tell me the answer.
Important products of chloralkali process are chlorine and caustic soda and hydrogen gas.
Okay. It is chlorine, it is hydrogen gas, and it is caustic soda, means NaOH.
NaOH.
Yeah. Where does it go?
Chlorine will go to
Ma'am, anode. Chlorine will go to anode,
ma'am,
hydrogen
chlorine at
will go to
anode,
anode.
hydrogen gas at cathode, and caustic soda also at cathode.
Chlorine at anode, sure.
Yes.
And NaOH is?
Ma'am is left near
Near
in the
cathode.
solution near cathode.
Yeah, you will write near cathode. Now, use of chlorine.
I'm used
Where we
for
can
chemical
use?
reactions like for preparation of bleaching powder.
Yeah, we use it in preparation of. Your answer should be solid. It is used in preparation of bleaching powder. Hydrogen, where we use hydrogen?
Hydrogen and caustic soda are just subproducts, right? The
Yeah,
main thing we just use do chloralkali processes for chlorine.
chlorine and caustic soda. Alkali is caustic soda, na? NaOH is a base,
Yes,
and it is a water soluble base. So we'll
ma'am,
call it
and
as,
NaOH is also a strong base.
yeah, it is a strong as well as water soluble base. H2 we can use that
Ma'am,
as a fuel.
ma'am, all strong bases which are completely ionized are soluble in water.
Yeah, because if it is a strong base, means it is dissociating completely. I told you a concept now, like if you are solving a question of class 9, suppose you are in 10th class. If you are in 10th class and I have give you a question of, if I give you a question of 11th class and one question of 9th class, so you will solve the question of 9th class easily, completely, and readily. Because your concept is strong for class 9th, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
same way, if I discuss about 11th class, then you will not complete it solve. You will solve it partially and not readily. You will take time. So because if any compound is dissociating completely, solubilizing completely, then I call it as strong. As the strong one is dissociating completely, means it is dissolving completely. Because something when dissolves, now it get dissociated.
Okay. And what
Use
is the
of caustic
purpose of
soda.
caustic soda then?
Huh?
And what is the use of caustic soda?
I'm asking this to you. We use it in making soaps and detergents, manufacturing of paper. Okay. Now I giving you a reaction. You have to complete and balance it. Now tell me what will be the product. And you have to balance it also. Now see, you are reacting zinc with base. What is the nature of zinc?
Ma'am, base plus metal gives rise to
No,
salt
what is
and
the nature of base?
basic.
Zinc. Zinc. What is the nature of zinc?
Ma'am,
Sorry.
zinc
Yeah.
is and I think amphoter.
Yeah. Zinc is amphoteric in nature. So if zinc is amphoteric in nature, it reacts with both acid and base. And that we marked it as an important part also, because when zinc reacts with the base, it forms a product that we hardly say ever hear about. What is that product?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Sodium zincate.
Yeah. What is the formula of that one?
Na2Zn.
Yeah.
O2, Na2ZnO2.
Yeah. Why your video is off? Everyone, please make your video on. And if I balance it, then it will be 2 NaOH plus zinc. It will give me sodium zincate and hydrogen. Sampath, Anurag, Abhyun, make your video on. मोनीस को लेके जाना. What will be the product of second reaction?
I'm CaHCO3 twice.
Yeah. What is that reaction? Can someone please explain that what is actually happening over there?
Ma'am, when lime water is given excess of carbon dioxide, it turns into calcium.
What is the lime water?
Ma'am, CaOH twice.
Lime water, I am asking. You are telling me about the selected lime. Lime
C-
water is
CaO.
yeah. So if we pass calcium oxide with carbon dioxide, it will form calcium hydroxide.
Ma'am, I think the lime plus carbon dioxide gives rise to.
Yeah. HCl gives plus water. What it will give? When we dissolve acid in water, what happens to
Ma'am,
acid?
it will become diluted.
It dissolves. It
Okay.
dissociated into ions. And the H positive ions that get released will react with water and it will form H3O positive ions along with Cl minus ions. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question is identify acid and base from which NaCl is obtained which type of salt is it? Or this is your question. This is your question. Is the question is clear to you?
Acid and base could be NaOH and HCl.
Yeah. So first answer is acid is HCl and base is NaOH. What type of salt it is? As both are strong acid and base.
And neutral salt.
Yeah, so my salt will be neutral salt. When it is called rock salt?
Is it like when NaCl is
When it mixes with impurities. Then we call it as rock salt. Okay. How is rock salt formed?
from the dead remains of animals and plants in the sea?
Yeah, or drying up of seas. Clear? Is it clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Now, next question is identify. I think this chapter is more and more clear to you, na?
Yes.
You all must have full marks in this chapter. Are you feeling some confidence in you that you will solve the question of this chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Try to do this question.
And the chemical reaction is NH4. Is ammonium acidic
First,
or
tell me the
basic?
acid. Which one will be the acid? Say, we have to form NaHCO3 over here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, first part comes from base. So, my base will be NaOH. Second
NaOH.
part comes from acid. So, it will be H2CO3.
Ma'am,
Correct?
what is H2CO3?
Carbonic acid. So, now you have NaOH reacting with H2CO3. Now the question is how this H2CO3 comes. So it basically what happens when water combines with carbon dioxide, it forms carbonic acid and it will release NaHCO3, salt plus water. Clear?
But like in our textbook and before you made us write NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 and NH2 gives us to NH4Cl plus NHCO3.
No, 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 no. Just repeat it again.
NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus um like NH3 gives rise to NH4Cl plus NHCO3.
Better, but it has been asked to you in the question that you have to answer the acid and base from which it has been formed. But you are writing about the salt and base, but no acid is there.
Ma'am, but in textbook it is given like that only, right?
But you are using the salt also.
Okay.
And you have to use only acid and base. That's why. Either your answer is correct, but it is not appropriate.
But
CBSE
in
can deduct
textbook
the
it is
marks.
not given these H2CO3 and NaOH.
Textbook doesn't given H2CO3, but it has been given H2O and CO2, na? And
Yes,
when H2O and CO2 combines, it forms H2CO3. See, here I have written it.
yes.
That's why.
Okay.
Compound of calcium used for plastering of fractured bones. Which compound we use? What is?
POP.
POP,
Don't write POP. Write it plaster of
plaster of
Paris.
Paris.
Yeah, in the exam you have to write it completely. And along with the name, you have to write the formula also. What is it?
CaSO4
Mm,
half H2
yeah, correct. These are the,
hemihydrate.
yeah, these are the 12 questions. Just note it down first, and then after that, we will do the more question
Ma'am, can
practice.
you show the 10th question?
Yeah, I will show each and every question one by one. Just start it from here. I will show all the questions. Just note it down first. Let me know if you all have completed this part. Then I will scroll it down.
Well, ma'am. Well,
Done, ma'am. And ma'am,
And one second. And now.
ma'am, what if we are done with all the questions, like till 12 questions?
You have to wait. You have understood all the questions, na? Now I will take the oral test of these questions.
And can you scroll down?
Yeah. Who have completed all the questions? Who has completed all the questions?
And can you scroll down?
Abhyun, you have completed?
I'm almost. Can you just scroll a little bit down?
Yeah.
And
Who has done?
Harshit.
Harshit. Okay. Harshit, tell me that what is family of salts?
Um, and
Explain it with the help of example.
there are two family of salts. One is of sodium and one is of potassium.
Give me any example.
And NaCl and potassium.
So how can we say that it is a family of salts?
And like it's a common compound in all salts.
मुझे नहीं पता कि क्या होता है. Just explain me that what is family of salts.
Should I?
Yeah.
A family of salts is salts which have the same element or compound, such as NaCl having sodium and uh, the potassium family. NaCl for the sodium family and potassium.
No. We just listen carefully. What is family of salts basically? If we have either the cation or anion in two or more than two salts. Like if I say I'm having two salts, one is NaCl and other is the KCl. So I can see over here that chlorine is same in both the salts, right?
Yes.
So I call it as ammonium family.
Ma'am, how
Clear?
ammonium?
Sorry, chlorine family. Sorry.
Okay.
Because chlorine is same in both the cases. If I say that I am having NaCl and I am having NaBr.
Sodium
In this case,
family.
yeah, in this case, I am having sodium as a common one. Correct?
Yes. Ma'am.
So I call it as sodium family. This is the family of salts. Niharika, is it clear?
Ma'am, uh, how many family of
Yes, ma'am.
salts are there?
It can be many.
Ma'am, but you taught us like some two family of salts.
I'm just giving you an example. Na? Suppose if I have taken I have make cation common. So you can make any cation common. Either you can make lithium as a common cation, beryllium as a common cation, sodium as a common cation, potassium as a common cation. And in the same way, you can make the anions as common. These two were the examples to explain you that how to decide the family of salt. Two examples that I gave you is one for the anion family and other is for the cation family.
And the notes you gave one chlorical family and sodium family in the
Yeah,
notes.
chlorine family is the example of anion one, in which the anion part is common.
Yes.
And sodium is the one in which the cation part is common.
Yes.
Okay, so these were the examples basically. In actual, you can have many families. Whenever any cation is common, so that will be my cation family of that one, and in the same way as the anion one. Clear?
Yes.
This is the one. For the next class, you have to learn about the salts. There will be a oral test maybe for the salt only. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Anything else? Anything else that you want to ask?
No, ma'am.
Everything is clear to you regarding salts?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Prepare it very well.
Okay, ma'am.
If you don't have any doubt, then you can leave the class.